Hey guys, this is Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews channel. Today I've got for you a very interesting product, especially for those people who have been looking for a CarPlay solve. I have been doing a lot of videos around CarPlay AI boxes and adapters. People love it. Everyone likes to use the CarPlay or Android Auto system in their cars. But the problem is that CarPlay function only works in cars with factory fitted CarPlay functionality. Means that most of the older cars would not have CarPlay option available. And those viewers have been sending me messages asking me, what's the solution for those guys. So today I've got a solution. It's a very nice device. It's from a very famous company called CoralVision, and it's a rear view mirror, which is a digital rear view mirror with built-in wireless CarPlay and Android Auto functionality. It has a dual channel recorder, means two cameras, one for the front view, the other one for the rear view. It has the 4K Ultra HD Sony sensor, parking assist, and tons of other features. So let's first do the unboxing of this CoralVision rear view mirror, and then I will connect this in my car to show you how it actually works. So keep watching, guys. You can see it comes in a very nice box. You've got the image of the rear view mirror. You've got logos of CarPlay and Android Auto, some of the functions mentioned here. Okay, so you've got some instructions on how to connect CarPlay and Android Auto. This is the power cable. This goes into the cigarette lighter adapter in your car, and the other end goes into the rear view mirror. It's a Type-C connection. Then you'll have two of these rubber brackets. This is to connect the rear view mirror with the existing rear view mirror in your car. So it actually does not replace the rear view mirror in your car, it just attaches on top of it. So you don't really need to remove anything or install anything. It's kind of a plug and play device. And then we have a very high quality rear view camera. Alright, so coming back to the rear view mirror. Now it's not very heavy, a very nice screen. It has a protective screen cover or film on it. We'll remove it when we install it. Okay, and then in terms of the connections, you have the Type-C connection. This is for power. Audio video, this is for the rear view camera. You also have a slot for a TF SD memory card in case you want to record the footage from the front or the rear camera. And then you also have a slot for GPS. Alright, then you've got this handles. These handles are for those rubber plastics to attach this with your current rear view mirror, and I'll show you how this actually connects when I take this into my car. At the back you have the front camera. This is a very high definition 4K camera. It's movable, so you can adjust it, and it also comes out a little bit. Then you've got two speakers, name of the brand mentioned right in the middle, some model details, and then at the bottom you've got the power button here. Alright, so that's it, guys. Let me take this out to my car, connect it, and show you how it actually works. Keep watching. Alright guys, so now let's connect this rear view mirror with my existing rear view mirror. We don't have to actually replace it. We just can mount it with the rubber brackets on top of it. So that's quite easy. But before you do that, it's easier to connect the power and the rear view camera before fixing it. It gets much easier. So let me first connect the two cables here. So this is the camera, and then I've got the power as well. All right, so that's that. Now let me put the bracket on. There you go. So that's quite easy. You just need to kind of somehow hide these cables. Just go through the top here, and then on the side just needs a bit of installation, and then you can hide these cables. All right, so we've connected the rear view mirror onto the existing rear view mirror, connected all the cables, power, everything is switched on. I have not actually installed the rear view camera because I already have one in my car, but just for this test I've put it on the side so you can get a different view from the front one. All right, so now let's switch it on. Cool, so it takes a couple of seconds to switch on. Now this is the main landing page. You have the applications appearing on the left and the view on the right. Now this one is from the front camera, but if you swipe it, then you should be able to get the rear view camera as well. And if you want to get to a full screen view and remove these applications, just need to click on this, then you get a full view. Now in terms of the view from the camera, you have 3 different views. This is a split screen view, so front and rear. Then you swipe. This is the front camera view, and the good thing with the front camera view, because it's already installed and fixed, you can adjust the view like that, which is very, very nice. And then if you swipe to the other side, you get the rear view camera as well. So that's quite nice, single view and split screen. Amazing. This is very, very nice, very handy, very nice features. As you can see, this is 4K resolution, so quite clear. And let's go back to home, where you get these applications as well. So what I'll do in this video is, I've already shown you the views from the camera. Now we will test some of these features here. So you've got the wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, FM radio. Here you can connect the sound from the cam to the system of your car. I'll show you how to do that later. Then you've got some instructions here, some pictures. Now if you have a flash drive or an SD card installed, which I've already done, you can actually take some images from the camera and store them. And then finally you have the setup section here. Alright, so the very first thing I'd like to do is actually connect the sound with the system of my car. So we click on this FM, make sure this FM transmitter is on, and then you set to a certain frequency which is empty or available on your radio system. This ensures that you don't have any sort of noise or disturbance when you're playing any audio file from this. Alright, so under the setup icon, you've got so many different options available. You've got time. You can set the resolution of the front cam, either 2K or 4K. Switch on or off the microphone. Loop recording, you can do 1 minute, 3 minute or 5 minute loop recording. Volume up or down. There are different languages available on this rear view mirror. And then you've got the screensaver, time settings, brightness, frequency, sensor for accidents, format. You can format the SD card. You have the reverse lining on and off. Then you've got reset button, and on the other side you've got the video stamp on the video on the videos and the about section. Right, so these were all the different options available within the setup. Now, alright, so in order to connect the wireless Apple CarPlay, let's click on this first. We have all the instructions on how to connect this mirror with Bluetooth. So on your iPhone, you just need to go to the Bluetooth settings, open the Bluetooth. We should be able to see a new device as Coral R9. Click on that and then pair it, allow it to sync favorites. There you go. So we use CarPlay, and now in a few seconds we should be able to see the Apple CarPlay homepage appearing on this left side here. There you go. So very fast. Again, this is a one-time setup. You just need to connect this once with your mobile, and then every time you switch on the car, it automatically detects the connection with your mobile and gets you to the main homepage of Apple CarPlay. Now this is the standard CarPlay homepage. You get all the different applications which are compatible with Apple CarPlay appearing on this left side, and then you have the view from either the front or the rear camera appearing on your right side. Now the good thing about this is that you can switch on navigation, you can play music, you can have phone calls, everything you can manage from this side of the screen, which is excellent. You don't need to rely on the main screen of your car. So what I will do now is let me bring up the map. Okay, so let's open the map, select a destination. And you have the volume on, so you can hear the volume as well. Right, and I've connected the sound with the system of my car, so the volume is coming from there. And as you can see, it's very nice, very responsive screen. This is an 11-inch touch screen, and you can see it's very nice, no lag at all. So you can have this, you can play music. And you can have the map while you're playing music as well. Alright, so now let's connect wireless Android Auto. The steps are exactly the same. We just need to click on the Android Auto option here first, and then on the Bluetooth on the Android mobile, I've got my Samsung mobile, we need to click on the Coral 9 device, then we pair it, and then we'll see it's connected, and now in a few seconds we should be able to see the Android Auto homepage appearing on this side of the screen. There you go. So this is the main home page, right? So this is the main home page of Android Auto. You have all the standard applications appearing on this side. In fact, you can go to the settings and change the look and feel. You can change the wallpaper, background, the icons and all. But everything here is just a standard. All the different applications on your mobile are appearing here, the ones that are compatible with Android Auto. So you have the map here as well. So no matter which mobile you have, either iPhone, you can use Apple CarPlay. If you have an Android phone or a Samsung, whatever, you can use the Android Auto. Now my Android mobile is not connected with internet, that's why I can't see anything on the map. Once you connect this, play a music or something, you can go back to the full screen. You don't have to stay on that application window. So if you see the view, you will still get to hear all the music that you're playing through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So that's it, guys. As I said, I love this new rear view mirror cam from CoralVision. This model is R9. You saw all the different features, very nice. If you like this and if you want to buy this, just go to the link in the description of this video that takes you directly to the maker's website, where you can buy this amazing CoralVision R9 rear view mirror with dual channels, means 2 cameras, front and rear. Thanks for watching, guys.